Do you fancy learning some watercolour techniques? Well, let me show you some quick tips on how I do certain things. And today we'll be working on a paint saver. What's that? Let me show you. So what is a paint saver? Okay, all it is something like this. You can make your own actually out of a piece of a little bit of brass piping and a screw stuck through it. Just a little slot cut out the pipe. Show you what it does, and what it basically gives you is this idea. So it will help you save all the paint in your tubes. I know, because the thing is, you know what it's like, you get your tube and you try and squeeze that paint up, trying to get it right to the top, and you always miss bits inside there. So what you simply do is allow that onto the side of it, just onto the bottom edge, and then very lightly, keeping your finger against the bottom, that's what I tend to do like that, just roll it until it goes kind of nice and fat at the top. Then that will give you, see how flat that is now? All the paint's been squished back up again, so you're not going to waste much in the way of paint. So that is well worth getting some of these, and they're very cheap to buy, and that is a paint saver. If you'd like to see more watercolour painting tips, head to patreon.com/thedevonartist, and you'll see my full list of step-by-step video tutorials on how to paint wildlife in watercolour, where you get also the project photo, the outline drawing for that month's project as well, and even a step-by-step handwritten or hand-typed by me full PDF on that particular current month's project. So come and join me and let's get painting together. And don't forget to click on like, subscribe and share, and please leave a comment down below as well. I'd love to kind of hear your thoughts and find out what you've been up to on your painting ventures. So until next time, bye bye for now.